Now Apple obviously doesn't typically have long candles like you see here, but it could, right? You don't want to be like, yeah, this is the move and then bleed out. So it's just more dangerous. If you look at the 2-minute EWO, this will also start to help. You guys can see down here that this is fading, right? So there were all your sellers, and then it starts to drop off. And you see how it's starting to close the gap here, getting ready for a color change. This will be the other way, right? So if you get a nice color change here and you are above VWAP, beautiful. If you get a color change and you're anywhere near this area, don't touch it. You don't touch that until it breaks VWAP. I don't care if the 2-minute EWO is sitting right here or here or here or here. Don't touch that until it's right here because you're so close to VWAP. Okay.